In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly embed Behance content, like your stunning projects or professional services, into your website, blog, or various third-party platforms. If you're looking to showcase your creative work in a more integrated, seamless manner, utilizing Behance's Embed feature is a fantastic way to do so. I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure the process is as straightforward and clear as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening the Behance project that you are eager to display on your site. Navigate to the project page that you want to share with your audience. This is where all your hard work culminates, and getting more eyes on it is a great way to gain exposure and feedback. Once you're on the project page, look to the right-hand side, and you'll spot the Share icon. This is your gateway to dissemination. Clicking it will open up more options for sharing your work. This icon is typically easy to find, but take your time to locate it if it's your first time navigating these settings. After clicking the Share icon, you will see an option that reads Copy Embed. Selecting this option will generate an iframe embed code specifically for your Behance project. It's essentially a bundle of HTML that will allow your project to visually and interactively appear elsewhere, in the same way it does on Behance. Now, take the embed code you've copied and head over to your website's HTML editor. This is the part where you need to place the code so that it integrates smoothly into your site. It's crucial to think about where you want your Behance project to appear. Whether it's on your homepage, a portfolio section, or a specific blog post, be strategic about its placement to maximize visibility and impact. Just remember, this will only work properly if the platform or website editor you're using supports iframes. Most modern platforms do, but it's a good idea to double-check this beforehand. Embedding your Behance projects using this method not only amplifies your professional presence, but also retains the quality and interactive aspects Behance offers. It's a simple, yet effective way to blend your professional world directly with your web presence, allowing for coherent branding and showcasing your work in the best possible light. Thanks for joining me on this technical yet straightforward journey. Be sure to explore where else you might want to incorporate Behance's robust presentation capabilities and maximize your audience engagement. Until next time, keep creating and showcasing your incredible talents.